Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Today, we're stepping into dangerous territory because whenever this topic comes up, friendships end, fan bases go to war, and Jamaicans divide. The question is simple but explosive. Is dancehall fueling crime? Or is dancehall simply telling the truth about what already exists? Is it influencing the streets, or is it just reporting from them? Before you rush to the comments, stay with me, because this conversation is deeper than lyrics. Dancehall has always been the soundtrack of the streets. From the 90s era of hardcore reality lyrics to today's darker, grittier, almost cinematic storytelling. Artists like Vybz Kartel, Lee Sparta, Skeng built massive followings of lyrics that speak about struggle, loyalty, betrayal, guns, revenge, survival. But here's the thing. Dancehall never claimed to be gospel music. It never claimed to be politics. It claimed to be reality. In inner city communities, violence isn't fiction. It's a lived experience. So when an artist speaks about it, are they promoting it or documenting it? Let's look at the other side. Critics say, when young boys hear violent lyrics repeated daily, when gun talk becomes rhythm, when badness becomes status, it normalizes it. They argue that repetition shapes mindset. If a 14-year-old hears that respect comes from fear, that power comes from a weapon, that dominance equals masculinity, doesn't that plant seeds? We can't ignore that music influences fashion. It influences slang. It influences behavior. So, why would it not influence mindset? Some argue dancehall glamorizes the lifestyle without showing consequences. That's the uncomfortable side of the debate. But here's the counter-argument. Was Jamaica peaceful before dancehall became explicit? Crime existed long before YouTube, long before streaming, long before viral songs. Poverty, unemployment, political tribalism, broken systems. Are we blaming music because it's easier than fixing policy? It's easier to silence an artist than to fix a community. It's easier to attack lyrics than to address youth employment, educational gaps, economic frustration, family instability. If you remove dancehall tomorrow, does crime disappear? Or does it simply lose its soundtrack? There's something else. For many artists, lyrics are therapy, expression, storytelling. Some grew up in chaos. They rap what they saw. They sing what they survived. When an artist describes violence, it might not be endorsement. It might be survival testimony. We praise movies for depicting crime. We stream violent series. Hollywood profits from gangster narratives. Yet when dancehall does it, we call it corruption. Why the double standard? Let's be honest, controversy sells. The darker the content, the more viral it often becomes. Shock value travels faster, algorithm reward intensity. So now the question shifts. Are artists creating what the streets demand? Or is the audience demanding what artists create? It's a cycle. The market rewards aggression. Aggression gets views. Views equal money. So who's really responsible? The artist, the listener, or the system that monetizes chaos? Here's where CCNWORL stands. Music has influence, but music is not the root. Influence is different from cause. A match can light a fire, but it cannot burn without fuel. If communities are stable, if opportunities are real, if mentorship is present, lyrics lose power. But when hopelessness already exists, music can amplify it. So the responsibility is shared. Artists must understand their reach. Parents must understand exposure. Leaders must address structural issues. It's layered, not simple. So, tonight we ask you, is dancehall fueling crime? Or is it holding up a minor and we just don't like the reflection? Is it the case or the commentary? Drop your thoughts below. Keep it respectful. Keep it real. Because whether you love dancehall or criticize it, one thing is certain. It remains the heartbeat of Jamaica. And conversations like this, they matter. This is CCNWORL TV News, where we don't just report the story, we question it.